This is our heavy duty racking range, and in this video we're going to show you how to build them. This is top quality industrial grade racking, great for a huge range of uses, and it's really easy to build. All you need to build it is a mallet, a helper and everything else that's supplied in the packages. To go building it, it's much easier if we take these two uprights here at the front and we put in these four front pieces first. We'll do that when it's laid on the ground. There's a completed front. You can see we've hammered all of these little holes through into the bottom of each of the sort of keyhole slots. And then we'll also do exactly the same with the back, which gets us a front and a back fully framed up. From there, we'll stand it up. We'll take the side pieces and we'll hammer them into position. Once those are done, we've just got the central pieces for the extra weight support to put in. Put on your chipboard shelves, add your plastic toppers, your plastic feet. As an option, these shelves can be screwed into place as well, or they can be left freestanding. It really is that easy.